Sorry guys, had to go for a minute, and let's continue with what we're doing. So this Euro New Zealand, this is our long-term target guys, and this is our long-term structure. Let's go back to the chart. Okay guys, we did that exactly, and this was posted even before it happens. We said they are going up and coming back down. We did it guys. Look the chart properly. Okay, we did the up move, which I think was up first move. No, this one. Yeah, we did forecast this and say they are coming down to the wrong side. We did forecast this from right at the top guys, but this will start get too much interesting because everyone was saying this is going to the upside, and I like always to have challenge with other people guys. But like when they have mistake and I get it correct, I just like any way of challenges guys. It's just motivating me. So yeah, let's continue with that. We got that down move guys, and we're still seeing this in play. We can see maybe possible buy set up this week and then drop to continue to the downside. They can drop at any time as well guys. Okay, they can just drop from here. Do not miss. If you see them going sharp, take the sell. So let's move on to Pocket. So this one is done. Let's quickly take it to the page. And what's this Pocket? Yeah, and this was the Pocket from last week guys. This on the outlook. And where's the drawing tools? Okay, we did say sell this, and from here we are going 1 2 3. Yeah, this, and we can be going to the upside from there, and then we drop from there. Okay, this is the structure we can see in the plane. Let's see on the chart if it's happening. Yep. So guys, you see they did come down from here. We was at this breakout. We said they are coming down. Okay, I was expecting them to come to the box. They didn't come, so I can still see them coming here even if they're going to the upside. So from this week we can see down move. Okay, but once we reach this box, be careful. Okay, put a break even and wait for it. Okay, this is the, I think they will come here and then turn to the upside from there. Like this. This is a structure. Okay, remember guys, this is a structure, and the second structure is this is absolutely coming to the downside from here. Okay, this structure can play out as well. So they will come here and then go up like this, give you this structure and continue to the downside. The bigger move is to the downside. Okay, the bullish move, the max they can go to 1.84492. I have a full review about this pair as well guys. You can watch look in my videos and watch it. I got on all time frame as well. Pocket. So for now, just folks, we did go the down move and we are out of it now. Okay, let me draw it and go there and see if it's playing out. So this was from the top and this is there. Let's go back to the chart. More like this. See guys, exactly done what we said, and we did reach right the bottom from there. So let's not talk much about this. Let's move to Euro Pound. Euro Pound, we're still seeing sell to come. We did forecast this from the top as well guys, and we did get up, and we still see them coming to the downside, the bigger structure to the downside. Okay guys, I said from before, if they have to go up, they will not break this box. They did break it. I said if once they break it, you anticipate this move. Okay, this move here. Is there still one piece for this to go like this and then continue to the downside? We don't know, but I'm not expecting this. I see them, they are dropping. Okay, every drop, flag taker. You see every drop, flag taker, and see what happens from there. Because if you're long-term trader, you don't care. You can enter anywhere, because even if they come here, they will come to the downside. Bitcoin is very interesting today guys, very interesting. Okay, I forget to get this one from my weekly outlook. But anyway, you can go and watch it and see this. We did forecast this one from here. It was here, guys, right here. Everyone was saying this is going to fly. I said, guys, please go watch my other outlook and you will see how we forecast this right from here to here. Okay, and we did say this is going up. What's now, guys? Now if you see them dropping, take the sell. We did reach this top and we see them coming to the downside now. I don't see them going to the upside. Where you can put your stop loss, just quickly pull it for you. Here. Okay, guys, your stop loss should be above this green line only. And give a sell on this high and see what happens. Let me take this one as well in front of you now. Okay, and this account I'm preparing for the thing. Let's just now go to Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin here? Bitcoin. Let's just find that from the bottom. Here. Okay, guys. We will give it this trade, and because there is a small one move to the upside, we will add another one when it goes there. Let's just add another one from here. Oops. Entry. What's happened? Internet shit. That's enough. Maybe because you entered too much on the oil. So yeah. See, we already entered a lot on the oil. And we can see them going to the upside. Why I'm buying from here? Because my broker, if you can see, they not going down. The other broker already down. And when I see this going sideways, I decide to start buying early. I don't want to miss this move to the upside. See, guys? So we'll see this week what happens in this one. But I don't like this coming too slow because the other broker already there. We did forecast this to the downside. They're already there, and I was waiting them to come here to buy. They didn't go. I start buying from here. Okay, because even if they come down, no problem. I still can hold, and this at least will come back after them to the upside. So that's good. You saw my trade for this week. We're buying the oil. We sold the Bitcoin. We are in the sale in the Euro New Zealand. Okay. We are in the sale on the USDN. From right at the top. See, guys, this was bigger sell. This account was 1,000, and where is that? Why it's not coming? I don't know why it's not coming. Oh, yeah. And now we are in 1,394, and our plan, guys, by the end of this year we will take this account to 100,000. But let's not focus too much about this, and let's trade week by week. I just made this account not for the 100,000, but to give you guys confidence when you're trading. And I'll be trading every time as it goes. We don't need this zoom now. Okay, so let's go back to the chart and see what we still have left and cover it. So you saw my trade. I just took a sell on Bitcoin. I can see them coming to the downside, guys. Okay, but just keep in mind they can spike a little bit to the upside and then drop. Don't try that too much and enter too big. Let's continue with Tesla. Tesla, we did forecast the buy, guys. I hope you didn't miss this buy. I was screaming for you guys to get a buy on Tesla because I said it's going up, guys. What's going on with the internet? Guys, Tesla, I'm anticipating now. I'm out of the trade and I'm looking for a pullback, okay, to the downside. Natural gas, we are start now looking for the upside. And let's just end this video. Oh yeah, no, sorry, I'm not going to end. There is pump yen. I want to do it for some guys who asked me about it on the previous outlook. So this is natural gas. Wow, they already went up. I should bought that. We missed it. Okay, we know this is going up. Not going too much. Let's see. There is trend line. There is no more buy before breaker because this can be coming here. Okay, the long term is here, but they can now take up anytime, guys, or at least they can do this and then drop to this side. Okay, but the last move they always go sharp, guys, so I don't want you to be dragged in this. They can spike from right here, spike to downside very sharp and then reverse, and then they do this and go. So this one I want you to keep your eyes on. If you didn't buy a year, keep it, wait for it, and wait for the next setup. Okay, because most what can happen now in this structure is this green structure. You see that when I'm moving, this what can happen, and then drop. Alright, guys. So if you see them coming back in this trend line, make sure not to stay in the buy. Let them come down because this is big move, guys. This is very big move to the downside. Don't be dragged in this and lose your account before they can go to the upside. Let's move to pound yen. Pound yen, I decided to do this one for Christopher. I think so. And let me quickly take you to the daily. I hope this video not too boring today. And this one I see on the daily, guys, on pound yen. I haven't done this one for a long time, but we was anticipating this from right at the top. Okay, guys, and because USDN is coming down, okay, this is going to come down. So I can see them playing sideways between this. Okay, so you can come here, go back up, come here, go back up, and then drop. So it's just sideways. Maybe there is no clear things on this. Keep away, and this can, because if you wanna trade on this one, only sell. Do not trade against the trend. The trend is to the downside. See, bigger trend, small trend, every trend is. Let's just clean this to the downside. And if they're going to spike, they're going to drop to the downside, not to the upside. Don't worry what other people saying out there on their outlook. Don't be. Let's just quickly see if they are coming down. So yeah, focus on the down move. Let me just quickly show you on the 1 hour and focus on this down move. If you break out, take this down move here and take profit at this area. Okay, within this box. Well, what you can do is just put Fibonacci, because if this is the first move to the upside, let's say they finish the down move here and they're going to the upside, they can just come from here, guys. Okay. So keep your eyes. This is your target. This is bigger trade. Take this trade and see what happens from there. And just keep your eyes, because if they're coming down, they have to crash this. Okay, they can correct for a bit here and drop, continue. But this you take. This you first take profit, and this within this box you're taking take profit. Most likely the bottom of it, not the top. Okay. So let me just keep all this drawing for you here, so you see it next week. There is no buy unless you break the top, then you start looking for this buy. Okay, if you break this top, you can buy this. There is no buy now. I can see everything says we are coming down for me. Structure, trading, everything I see it coming down. And just see this. Now I gave you this one. I'll do this one in detail as well. I will do in depth. I'll start from monthly coming down to 1 hour time frame, so you understand that. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you, and thanks for the new subscriber on my YouTube channel. We hope to see more. Our target is 7,000. we did great for the last week. People are responding. Okay, all we done is just a small ad on Facebook to show people where we go for them, and this was successful. Hopefully I don't like doing ads. I want my community to grow without anything. If we are doing good, please give that video a like. Let me just know we are doing something good out there. If you're not happy with what we're doing, give it a dislike, no problem. Okay guys, and if you have any question, type it in the comment below, and thank you guys. See you in the next one.